Oh hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. Today I'm giving you more information about how to garnish instant noodles from my expansive knowledge that I've gained through reviewing more than 3,000 varieties. So, today it's a variety that I got from Zenpop. Zenpop.jp is where you can find them. They have subscription boxes of ramen and I think like stationery and other stuff, so it's all Japanese related. Check it out, cool stuff. This one is called Yokosuka Curry Udon? Yokosuka Navy Curry Udon. So here, let me get this going because I don't have a lot of time to mess with this today. Oh, I see. Oh, he's getting uppity. Okay, and that goes for 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3, bow, bow. So there's Yokosuka, Japan, and there used to be a Navy base there, and here's what the packaging looks like. And it said something like Japanese curry was born in Yokosuka, Japan. And they have a rule there. They call it Curry City now. There's no longer a Navy base. They call it Curry City, and they have a rule. And the rule is as follows. If you're going to have curry, it is to be served with a salad and a glass of milk. That is fascinating. Truly fascinating. And I want to go there. I love curry. I love Japanese curry. Yeah. So, I mean, salad and a glass of milk. A rule? A rule? Okay. I'll follow the rules. I really will. But, I mean, that's just like... get a tap on the shoulder. No, sir. You're going to have to leave. You're enjoying that with a cherry Coke. I'm sorry, but... What else is going on today? Super hot. Last time I looked, it was like 89 degrees at noon. That's intense. That's ridiculous. Northwest Washington State. No. And the air quality is crummy because there's fires down in Oregon and southern Washington and northern California. I think it was last year or the year before around this time, we had done a road trip down to California with the kids, and we were on the way back. And when we hit Seattle, they were saying that the air quality in Seattle was like at par or worse than in Beijing, China. So that was like, whoa. And it was because of all the fires. And we have what's called a convergence zone, and it just like traps all the air, and it gets stagnant and gross. So you get this kind of like funky looking haze outside, and it gets kind of quiet almost because it's like there's so much particulate in the air. It's just gross. Sometimes it'll smell like there's a campfire near you, and no, that's coming from across the state because it's all smoke. But they should just stop having the fires. It's cool that people go and they fight them, but I mean, they could be doing different stuff. You don't have to fight fires. You can, I mean, if you really want to fight things, you can fight them, but I don't know. It sounds like you're going to have, like, people having problems breathing because you're into all the fires. I mean, you can fight gingivitis. I guess what you could do is just let the fires go until there's nothing left to burn. There you go. Let the fires go until there's nothing at all left to burn. And then that's that. And nobody has to get hurt by fires because there's no more fire, and yeah, nothing left to burn. But what we have here is a curry udon. You want to take a look. Yeah, peek on it. No, really, don't be shy. No, just peek on it. See? Look at that. Smell that? Yeah, see? It smells like curry. Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? I'm just going to try the broth first. There's our broth. Could be thicker, but I like it. That is the kind of Japanese curry I love. What do we got in here? Not sure what that is. Maybe potato? No, not a potato. A vegetable of some sort. This I'm gonna guess is a potato cube. Well, that's disappointing. It was a half hydrated potato cube. So it was chewy potato. But aside from that, this is good. We also have some, I think it's either black pepper or white pepper. I'm going with black pepper. Let's sprinkle that on. Stir that in as well, as that was part of the, there was a sachet of that. Peppery curry. See, this one I'm liking this one. See, kind of the same. Oh, what are you? You're meat. There is a meat. Pretty good. Now let's try the broth now that it's had the pepper in it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ha ha. Yeah. I dig that. Abso-freaking-lutely I dig that. Here. That's the kind of thing I like about reviewing instant noodles. Is the fact that, it's pretty good. And then all of a sudden, boom, a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to remember that because that just totally turned that cup all the way around, like 360 degrees. Dump it in here for a moment. Oh yeah, that's freaking wonderful. I am gonna throw in some of this tofu puff because I don't want it to go to waste, and that's the reason why I'm doing it. I wish I had some kamaboko ready, but I really honestly am not seeing any kamaboko in this cup, so I don't feel too horribly bad about that. Alright, back. And I think we've got that action pretty well taken care of. Oh yeah. There's that. We need our little magic. Our jumbo soft-boiled egg. There's our sizz. Oh, are you gonna be like that today? Come on, egg. Come on. Come on, scissors. Come on. There's egg. Oh, see, sometimes you get eggs. I tell you, you get unruly. Now, this is called curry udon. These noodles are not thick by any means. Well, they're thicker, but it doesn't make me just jump up and down. Hey, that's udon. There we go. right? Like so. Let you take a look. There she is. So I better take a picture before this stuff ends up sucking up all the broth. So if you enjoyed this, please enjoy one of these videos. Like, subscribe, notifications, do all that. You make me happy. You make me keep doing this. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Curry City.